Little kitten sat down and cried. Suddenly a snake appeared and little kitten ran away. But then he saw a figure. Suddenly an angel-like person appeared and killed the snake. Please friends, subscribe my channel and like my video. Please, please, please. Mama had cooked chicken and green kitten was exactly carrying it to eat. However, he trafficked and the plate broke. Mama scolded him, making him feel unloved. He decided to run away from home. In the middle of the night, the jungle was dark and rainy. Little kitten sat down and cried. Suddenly a snake appeared. And little kitten ran away. But then he saw a figure. Suddenly an angel-like person appeared and killed the snake. After a while, little kitten's mama arrived. Oh my child, I will never fight with you again. I will never scold you again. Please friends, subscribe my channel and like my video. Please, please, please. Timu was alone in this world and very poor. He would search for food in the trash. One day he was very hungry. At the food market, he spotted chicken that smelled amazing. Timu grabbed it and ran. But the police catched him. Oh my god, they took him to jail. Where the bad boys bullied and beat him. Timu sat and cried a lot. The next day they made him clean and dig wood. When Timu dug a hole, he fell into a tunnel that led outside. He walked through the tunnel and came out on a road. Timu was finally free from jail. But at night, Timu had nowhere to go. He didn't have a home. Timu fainted. A kind grandmother found him and showered him with love. Please friends, subscribe my channel and like my video. Please, please, please. Two friends had just started high school. A white boy was constantly bullied by a black boy. A brown boy, feeling sorry for the white boy, confronted the black boy and told him to apologize. Instead, the black boy beat up the brown boy as well. This deeply saddened the white boy and he broke into tears. Seeking a solution, the white boy went to a doctor and received a power potion. The doctor injected him. The scientist injected him, turning him into a powerful monster. On his way back, the white boy confronted the black boy and beat him severely. The school authorities called the police to arrest the new monster white boy. He was confined to a science lab for future study. The brown boy, feeling sympathetic, continuously working hard to find a way to free him.